Good evening, students. So last class we have discussed about the metaphase. So today in this class we are going to discuss the anaphase. This is the third phase of mitosis. So ana stands for divide or up. Okay. What happens in the anaphase is characterized by the division of the chromosomes. Division of chromosome. What happens is, before last class as we have discussed, so once a chromosome is there, it will be having the two chromatids. Okay, this is in the general state, and this is known as the centromere. Centromere is also known as the kinetochore. Centromere. This particular joining link is known as the kinetochore, centromere, or primary construction. Okay, so this is in the before the beginning of the cell cycle. Once the cell cycle begins and the interphase started, so in the S phase duplication of chromosomes occur and another two chromatids has been occurred. So these two chromatids are known as the sister chromatids because they are like the same thing, so that's why they are known as the sister chromatids. What happens during the metaphase is the chromosomes once what happens to the chromosomes? Yeah, chromosomes will be in their highly condensed form and then they will arrange at the equator. Once they arrange at the equator, okay, and then what we have discussed, centrioles will be moved at the opposite ends and they start projecting the spindle fibers, and these spindle fibers will be attached to the centromeres. Okay, actually what happens is the centrioles, this is in the metaphase, we are not talking about the, this is the diagram of metaphase. Okay, these centrioles, okay, in the animals they are known as the centrioles. In plants they are told like general term is centrosomes. Okay, and these centrosomes produce the spindle fibers, and these spindle fibers are nothing but the microtubule proteins. Okay, so this is in the metaphase. What happens once it comes to the anaphase is the spindle fibers or the microtubules which will be projecting from the centrosomes, they will shorten. Okay, once they will shorten, they will, the what happens is shortening of the microtubules occurs. Okay, in the anaphase state, exactly if you talk about the biochemical molecular level, shortening of the spindle fibers occur. Okay, shortening of the spindle fibers occur. Okay, once they shorten, what happens is they are attached to what? They are attached to the centromere. So once they attach to the centromeres, what happens is once they shorten, okay, once the chromosomes get shortened, what happens? The chromosomes, shortening of the chromosomes will apply a pressure. Okay, shortening of the microtubules. Okay, shortening of the microtubules, what it does it, okay, it applies a pressure. So apply pressure. So shortening of the microtubules, what happens? Shortening of the spindle fibers or the microtubules applies a pressure, and because of that centromeres divides. So this centromere will divide into two. Okay, and the sister chromatids separates into sister chromosomes. Okay, so here we can see you have two chromatids and they will separate, and each of the chromatid will become a independent chromosome or the sister chromosome. So earlier they were together as a sister chromatids. Now once they separated, they become as a sister chromosome. Okay, so shortening of the spindle fibers, it will apply a pressure on the centromere. Okay, where the centromere is present? Centromere is at the junction of the chromatids. Okay, shortening of the chromosomes will apply a pressure on the centromere, and this centromere, and because of the shortening, the centromeres divides the sister chromatids and separate. The sister chromatids will get separated. Okay, how they will separated, see here. So sister chromatids, they'll get separated, and once they separated, once the sister chromatids separated, they start moving towards the opposite poles. Okay, why they are separated? Because of the shortening of the microtubule. So they'll start moving towards the opposite poles. When they start moving towards the opposite pole, they'll become an independent chromosome. Okay, so this is anaphase. So anaphase, what happens? The division of centromere occur, and the major event that happens is division of centromere, and second thing is divided centromere carrying the chromosome move towards the opposite poles. Move towards the opposite poles. Okay, this completes the anaphase.